Welcome, I'm using Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. And to get started, let's press on the arrow and then choose our language. Let's go on further, then choose your region. Now choosing a region will also determine the time zone that you're in, so you might want to select it correctly. I'm not going to be bothering right now. And then you can connect to your network. Now, if you don't have any network, you can simply skip this. The only thing that you will miss out is the ability to connect throughout the setup to your Google account and also restore the device from an old backup, which both of those things can be done later on through settings. Terms and conditions, you can scroll down and you'll have the checkbox right here to agree to the user agreement and policy privacy. And then below that you also have another one that is selected by default. I have read and agreed to the face emoji privacy policy. Now you can deselect that, it's not necessary if you don't want it. Then starting to look for a SIM card, but there is no SIM card in the phone, so it just doesn't find anything. You can skip that and insert a SIM card completely later on, and it won't really change anything. You have Google services, so you can read what each one of them does exactly right over here. And if you don't like any of them, you can deselect all of them, as you can see, and scroll the way down and tap accept. Then you have the ability to set a lock screen. Now again, this is completely optional. When you tap on it, you will have the option between pattern, pin, password, so you can select whichever one you want. For instance, if you go with a pattern, you get this message to remember it. Yes, we know. Seems a little bit obvious. And then you simply draw the pattern, or you can also just skip this step right here. And then on the next page you will have additional settings, things like location, which we already have before. User experiments programs, we also had that before. That was also before on the page for the Google, that we have disabled the 3 options there and agreed. Automatic system updates. If I'm not mistaken, this means literally nothing, because the moment phone finds a update, it will start spamming you with it, and if you do later, it just does it overnight anyway. Then choose a theme. Select whichever theme you like more. You can tap on the image, I believe, to make it bigger, just so you can see how it looks like. The only thing that really changes is just the shape and the look of the icons themselves on the display. So you can select whichever one you like more, and then finish by tapping on the arrow. And now for some reason loading apps takes about a minute, so just be patient. And as you can see, we're now almost on the home screen. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.